This is a program to add two numbers without parameter and without return type. So we are just calling a function. Function will be called and we are taking the input within the function, processing it and printing the output within the function itself, as we are saying it as a without return type. In case I want to make it as a with return type, then what I will be doing, instead of printing the output within the function, I just print the output here. This has to be stored in one variable, the output, whatever I am getting from the return statement. The variable, it will be written is C. Then print sum is comma add. This will be our program where with return type. But now instead of one variable, I want to return multiple variables, that is A and a B also I want to return. Then what should be done? So here it is a simple in Python. Just give two more variables and change the statement sum of and is, and where you are getting those variables, use the format as multiple things n comma add. So this is your function without parameter and with multiple variables return type. Within the one statement, multiple variables you are sending back to the place from where the function has been called, and in the same order, the A will be stored in M, B will be stored in N, and C will be stored in add, and you are trying to print that. Now we will print separately all the three values by using the print statement, and along with that all together. So as we had given separate print statements, M, N addition has been printed along with the all combinedly. So this is the concept how we are going to get the multiple variables from the function.